this video, I'll show you how to add a sticky note animation to your project using CapCut's PC Pro version. Let's dive right in. Begin by dragging your video clip into the timeline. Select the clip you'd like to animate. Next, navigate to the Animation tab located in the toolbar at the top. Under the In Animations category, locate the sticky note animation. Click to apply it to your selected clip. Fine-tune the animation speed by adjusting the duration slider, shorten for a quick pop, or extend for a slower, more gradual reveal. That's all there is to it. Your sticky note animation is now set up. If this tutorial made your editing easier, don't forget to subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching.